Obe peki longjin kang gelerim sesi nangin yola samdishu ngangawa chanjui. Tarin shoba chuzi gebe thole ya pemilana mebi uti chinor konse kyam gachim cho shuga gebe phodane tekje chuling zula khang du shapsur devar khuna zede loshar eshi dede manso ne shidar swedap shubashi gumbu khani chone terin da sani che nyinyi giring pande dawa thaba gi zebe oma jube rangde gi thone kachu unzu kyangna zeso gombu khani chone tuita do toni gi tawada chanju gi semla nyamshe zegi yoba khani gi thugyu la deito zöje gi nyawa chung yogor kashi sangbu minze zeso
de ngare ji chawa chobo da mendi ene tungni gi tawada chanju gi semla ya phaji nyawa ji gro ji da zöme gi nyawa ra da khanshin de zöje nyongji dandeta gede yare diine shiuji psan pengdo kanda saboda jache lam samlo tane simpa kujoro teindu zane
tengi char gyana shungi phena nangchu dingi tsadur tongdab gi siju nazo pegi yogyang shishu pheminam gi lhaksam ningdop ritar tembu yoba kaseson
gya meri na la khungren gi ta samlo busu thogo yodeba ji dezu jegi shi pyo kangjen ge jong la yodebe sanje ge chele ya pge pape mewa soya ge tabshi rimbo cheberede zawa nineda kujo teki yamare
konsyam ge chogi uma jubi cheju ningje tele chene tengi char zamling na ningje sam karuna shebate hyoyang su chi yobate ite ringmi tholop kha gi gegen dal hendu shirim labra kha gi lobsen na ningje chowur gyurbe sem sang chadap so gi kor lobjon te kobe kame kodur nan gyu kongshi yogor sungsong zawe terinka chu gi nin tambe tho loshar eshi tede manso sebi sugar pemi dude dan sane khane pemi tontra ga she chejar shu yoba redu.
We are from Thailand, so I feel thankful and grateful for everything that bring us here for today. It's my first time here in Dharamshala, and thank a lot to my people to bring us here and give me opportunity to come here together to listen to Dhamma talk from Dalai Lama.
Impressive. Well, dealing in a difficult time, there's so many people gathering. Yeah. I feel very touched.
My name is Patnari. I'm from Thailand. I just recently become interested in Tibetan Buddhism and search on this. And this is my first time to come here to listen to Dhamma talk by Dalai Lama. He talked a lot about Bodhicitta and suffering and compassion, thing which is really important for the world now today. But what impressed me the most is the last sentence. His last sentence saying that you never see Dalai Lama get angry, even though he got, from many things. And it's like teaching by practicing.
Gobu ganyi chogi sanyi mutu omajubegi chodyon dus zeyaresha